Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to check your community violence of your Facebook page. So firstly, have to go to your Facebook page. Ma Make sure that you are on your Facebook page, not your regular Facebook account. How you can check this? You have to click on top right corner this profile icon or account icon. Then you'll find here your Facebook profile name and your Facebook page name. You have to click on the Facebook page name. Then it will switch to your Facebook page account from a Facebook regular account. Now after go to Facebook page account, you have to click on this top left corner your profile icon or the profile name. I mean Facebook page name. Then you have to go to settings. Now scroll down and you will find here page setup. Click on this page setup. Then you'll find here this page status. You have to click on this view option and then you'll find here this page has no issue. Okay, and here's the community standard violation, no violation to show. It is saying no violation to show. So this is how you can see your community violation, community standard violation in your Facebook. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.